Hi everyone, my name is Ashok Kumar and I'm excited to share my experience with the AI Plus developer and AI Plus executive certifications from ACERTs.com. As someone passionate about artificial intelligence and its transformative impact, I wanted to gain a strong foundation not just in how AI works, but also how it's applied across industries. These certifications offer exactly what I was looking for. I chose ACERTs.com because of their reputation for offering industry-aligned practical certifications. What really stood out to me was the learning format. It's fully online and self-paced, with a mix of high-quality video lessons and comprehensive ebooks. That flexibility was a big plus for me, especially while balancing work and other commitments. The course content is curated by experts and structured in a very intuitive way. Whether you're a developer looking to get hands-on with the AI models or an executive wanting to understand AI from a strategic business perspective, there is something for everyone. The learning journey for me was very smooth, well-organized, and surprisingly engaging. The AI Plus Developer Certification dives deep into technical concepts like machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, reinforcement learning, natural language processing, and more. There were plenty of practical examples that helped connect theory to the real-world applications. The pre-recorded video modules made it easy to pause, rewind, and rewatch any complex topics, which really helped with the retention. Once I completed the course materials, the certification exams were the next step. I appreciated that ACERTs.com provides clear guidance on what to expect. The exams were thoughtfully designed to test your knowledge from multiple perspectives. I passed both my exams on my first attempt, and the sense of accomplishment was huge. I received official certificates from the ACERTs.com that I can share on social media and professional platforms. To sum it up all, I highly recommend ACERTs.com to anyone looking to gain credible, practical, and respected certification in AI, whether you are a techie, a leader, or someone curious about the future of technology. These certifications have not only expanded my knowledge, but also boosted my confidence in engaging with AI projects. The investment is worth it, and the learning is top-notch. Thank you, ACERTs.com, for making high-quality AI education accessible and meaningful.